My name's Angie Burgs, and today I am recreating a Gabriel Zamora makeup tutorial.
Who's that Gabriel Zamora? Hi everyone! Hi everyone, I'm crashing Angie's video at the very end because she doesn't even know that I came into it in the beginning of the video. So you're gonna watch her literally recreate my video. You look good. Oh, I live. Oh, I live. And also you guys, at the very end, make sure you stay tuned because we will be doing a giveaway. And if you wanna see exactly how Angie created this look from my own tutorial, oh my God, I feel so fancy. Then keep on watching.
La rumba está, la rumba la rumba está, la rumba
My name is Angie. My handle is Angie Burgs on Instagram and YouTube, and I do makeup reviews using my chemist background where I dive deep into ingredients to kind of dispel some of the myths and marketing hype of makeup, and so that way I can help people find makeup that they're really getting a good value for. So today I am going to be recreating Gabriel Zamora's peachy makeup tutorial for brown eyes, and I'm gonna try to follow along with it the best that I can. I met Gabriel Zamora before when I went to a meetup for his matte collaboration that he had at the Grove here in LA, and I was the second person in line to meet him, and it was very exciting because he actually recognized who I was right off the bat from just knowing me online and commenting and liking his pictures. Hi everyone! Oh, I found it. I got it right here.
Can she hear me though? So she's recreating my video. She doesn't know that I'm here, which I'm super excited about because she even DM'd me. She's like, hey, will you be at IPSY? And I was like, no, I'm like shooting. So she actually has no idea that I'm behind the scenes watching her recreate my own tutorial. So this is like super cool. Yes. You better blend, Angie. Miss Angie Burgs. You better blend that eyeshadow. I really miss that eyeshadow palette, you guys. I feel like that was one of the most iconic eyeshadow palettes because it was Kylie's first. Yes. This was literally so funny because the night before I filmed this, I didn't know what exact products I was going to use, so she's more prepared for this video than I am, for sure. Dab, 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 tap, 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 tap. I think that's probably one of the fanciest things I do. Like, the only reason why I tap a brush isn't because like I'm trying to take off the excess, it's because I always see makeup artists do it, and I was like, oh my God, I'm a professional. Oh my God, I know what she's doing now. So she's gonna start the shadow liner because at that time, I was like, it's gonna take me like 30 minutes to do my liner, and this eyeshadow look is already so pretty, I'm not gonna mess it up. So I literally did a shadow liner, and to this day, I'm still obsessed with it.
I think I'm doing okay. I think I had a little trouble with the eyeliner and getting it to come out pigmented. I had to go in a couple of times, but other than that, I think I'm doing okay. Not as good as him, but I'm getting there.
This is such a good mascara, you guys. I definitely recommend it. The only reason why I haven't used it recently is because I ran out, and I just get so much makeup products that sometimes I forget to buy certain things because I'm like, oh, I have this one, I have this one, I have this one. I like to use different ones, but the Roller Lash is probably one of the best mascaras simply because you can use it on your top lashes and your bottom lashes without having to switch mascaras. Oh, that's the best lash glue, you guys. I love a clear lash glue, and I love a lash glue with an applicator.
So you're supposed to wait until it's clear, and then that way you know it's gonna stay, because otherwise if I put it on now, it's just gonna pop off on the inner corner, and you don't want that throughout the rest of the day. I've been there at weddings like that, and I didn't have lash glue to back me up, so the whole wedding it was just flying off like this.
Just grabbing Peaches by MAC, the most iconic blush of all time. I still to this day use it. It's such a good blush. I feel like it compliments everyone.
And I think he applies it on like his forehead or something.
Yes, Perfect. Okay, I wasn't gonna say nothing because I was like, everybody can blush their own way. But I like bringing my blush like on my forehead, on my chin, and like on the tip of my nose because that's kind of like where you flush. Okay, if I'm being honest, the way I apply blush is almost like I got like a bit of a sunburn. And that's how I like it.
So I would use the same color as Gabriel, but I'm a lot more fair, so I'm gonna use this shade because this is a better match for me.
Smart girl. I was like, if she uses my bronzer, it's gonna look real interesting. Because me and Angie are not the same shade, so. Always take my recommendations with consideration as to your shade. I still use this. Oh, this is such a good highlight by Bobbi Brown. I like to layer it, so I put that one as like the base, and then I add like a brighter highlight on top of it.
This is the most highlighter I've ever worn. I feel like I'm a glowing goddess now.
I love highlighting my Cupid's bow because it just emphasizes your Cupid's bow, and I want a Rihanna Cupid's bow, so because I don't have one, I have to emphasize it so it looks a lot more prominent. And also like I have hella filler in it, so I have to make sure it looks nice and sharp.
So I think I did okay. It looks pretty close. I think I could have done the lips a little bit better, but Gabriel has a little bit more lip than I do, so he has a little bit more to work with.
Oh my god, hi everyone. Oh my god, hi everyone.
Hi Gabriel.
Hi. Hi Angie. Let me come to you. Hi everyone.
Hi.
So good to see you.
Hi.
You look so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
What are you up to? What are you doing? Who's that?
I'm just recreating one of your makeup tutorials.
Oh. I've actually been watching you.
Oh, have you really? Oh my god,
I watched
so
you from
funny.
the beginning of it all. Even when you DM'd me and you were like, oh my god, will you be there? I actually knew I was gonna be
I
here.
was like, okay. I was like, I'm gonna message him, see if he's good. That's so, you tricked me.
I tricked you. It had to be a surprise.
That's fair, that's
It literally
fair.
had to be a surprise.
It was a good surprise. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I get to meet Gabriel in person because, you know, I just watch his videos all the time. I follow him on Snapchat and Instagram, so it's just great to be like this close.
Ew, you're so sweet. This is so fascinating to be able to like meet someone. Like I love it. This is probably to me the best part about doing social media and being like an online creator is basically just being able to meet people that you actually connect with. I think you came to the lipstick one?
I came to the MAC lipstick one. That's the one that I came to.
That's the one I first met you at.
And then you saw me and you're like, I know who you are. And I was like, oh my god, he remembers me.
I can remember a face so well. And I mean, you just showed so much love and support that I was like, oh my god, I live for this girl.
I got reached out to do this video and they're like, oh, is there any creator whose tutorial you want to follow? And I was like, well, of course I want to follow Gabriel's because I've been following him for so long. And like, who else was I gonna pick? Of course I was gonna pick Gabriel. So I was like, I should just message him and see if he's gonna be at the studio that day. So I'm like, hey, I'm gonna be here on this day. I don't know what time yet, but are you gonna be there?
I knew I was gonna meet her, but I was like, let me just pretend like I'm not. So Angie was like, hi Gabriel, I'm supposed to be going to IPSY on Thursday because they invited me to shoot a video. Are you going to happen to be there that day? I'm not sure the exact time yet. And I was like, oh, I need to like completely throw her off. So I was like, oh no babe, I'll actually be in downtown all day and night on Thursday just to be like all day and night. Like she has no idea.
This is so fun. I'm so happy right now. This just like made my like, probably like year.
Stop, you're so sweet, thank you. So this one's for you.
Oh, thank you.
Think that's your shade?
Yes.
Warm nude. These are some of literally my favorite products. This is my favorite bag. One little thing that I did is if you cut out a hole like right here, you can put a portable charger in and your cord sticks out. I'm just saying that's what I do. Don't at me because it's cloth. But this is literally my favorite bag in the entire world. I have some Ouai texturizing hairspray. It's literally the best hairspray in the entire world. Like when I get out of the shower, I like to put this on because it just gives you like that PC kind of look.
Yeah.
And then Born This Way foundation. Honestly. It's so good. And they just expanded their shades with Jackie Aina, which I'm obsessed with. Then we have some Makeup Forever products. Honestly, Makeup Forever is...
They have a lot of good products.
They have so much, the widest range of colors in lipsticks and liners, in foundations and concealers and everything. And then, honestly, Probably one of the best liners in the entire world. The only reason why you didn't have it is because at the time that I did this video, I didn't know how to do like a liquid liner.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, I'm gonna do a shadow liner, but now this has been my obsession because it's like dual ended because one side has like a pencil side and then the other side has like a felt tip side. So depending on your day, depending on your mood, depending on who you're wanting to be that day or night, this is the one for you. And then Fix Plus, make sure you set your face. And if you at home, if you wanna enter this little giveaway, all you have to do is make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you like it, and comment down below your favorite part of this video. You can follow Angie on Instagram at
Angie Burgs.
You can follow me on Instagram at Gabriel Zamora. And until next time,
Bye everyone.